Top of the hour, as weeks after the Kolkata rape and murder horror, the West Bengal Assembly, which has unanimously passed the anti-rape bill brought in by the Mamata Sarkar. Titled as the Aprajita Women and Child Bill 2024, the bill includes the provision of capital punishment for individuals convicted of rape in cases where victim dies or causes the victim to enter in a vegetative state. Now, while the proposed legislation is a step in the right direction, the politics around it and the RG Kar horror is refusing to die down. During a speech in the Assembly yesterday, Mamata Banerjee directly hit out of the BJP, which has been demanding for a resignation. She, in fact, highlighted a number of cases that have been reported in ruled states by the BJP, saying that it should be the Prime Minister who must step down from his position.
আগে নরেন্দ্র মোদীকে পদত্যাগ করতে বলুন। নরেন্দ্র মোদী পদত্যাগ চাই, তার কারণ সারা দেশে উনি জাতীয় লজ্জা। আমরা স্যার অমানবিক ঘটনা নিয়ে ওরা রাজনীতি করে, বিচার চায় না। ভারতীয় নয়, সেই কারণেই দ্রুত বিচারের জন্য ভারতীয় ন্যায় সংহিতার কয়েকটি ধারায় সংশোধন করে আমরা ধর্ষণের ঘটনায় অপরাধে প্রমাণে সর্বোচ্চ মৃত্যুদণ্ডের সাজা প্রস্তাব করেছি।
All right, so when it comes to the bill that has been unanimously passed, as far as with its introduction and the opposition also given time to speak on what they have been calling it as certain changes that they have also been recommending that needs to be done in the bill. But we'll take you through the highlights that has been coming in of this bill so far. The death penalty for rape as capital punishment for those who have been convicted of rape. That has been one of the main highlights, concluding the investigation in 21 days. That means time-bound investigation. Special courts that will be dedicated when it comes to crimes that have been committed against women. Also, that talks about fast-track courts, the Aprajita task force that will also be formed to investigate cases of crime against women as well. Stricter penalties for repeat offenders, life imprisonment for repeat offenders that has been mentioned in the Aprajita bill, protection of the victim's identities, non-disclosure to ensure that there is privacy and dignity of the survivors. Also penalties for police and health officials who fail to act in a time-bound manner. That has also been included. But there has been contentious issues when it comes to strict penalties of authorized publication of court proceedings. This is what the BJP has been calling it as a bid to muzzle the media. Let's in the